So Techies, as you saw in the thumbnail, this series started for the Java, and this series is basically for the person who are beginner and aiming to become a Java pro. So here we'll cover all the related topic which is important in aspects of the Java interview question or SDET role interview question. Okay. But guys, going to before next step, please like, share, and subscribe the channel to get more amazing stuff about Java SDET role interview question. And the first topic is Java overview. Okay, so let's start, guys. So the first question is, what is Java? Java is a high level object oriented programming language. Java is high level object oriented programming language, which is called OOPS, object oriented programming language. Okay, which is developed by Sun Microsystem, and released in official release date is 1995, and currently owned by Oracle Corporation. The main thing is about Java: write once, run anywhere. This is a one of the most important thing. In upcoming topic, we also discuss about what is the mean of write once, run anywhere. Practically, we can do everything. Okay, but for the time, you can just understand Java program are compiled into bytecode. Java programmers compiled into the bytecode that can run on any device equipped with JVM, where you have JVM. In upcoming topic, we also discuss about JVM. What is JVM? JIT, really important topic. Okay, making it platform independent. That's why write once, run everywhere. Okay. The next question is, where is Java used? Java is used to develop a wide variety of application. Java is used to develop a wide variety of applications. Applications like mobile application, Android application, desktop application, web application, enterprise application. For the gaming perspective, also data driven apps, embed embedded system, cloud based and distributed system. In last topic we will discuss about what is a cloud based and distributed system in last topic. So for this one, you can subscribe the channel if you are new. Okay, and stay tuned with this channel to get more amazing stuff about the Java and the SDET role interview question. Okay, next question is, why use Java? Why we use Java? Here are some common reason to choose a Java. Right now, guys, in market we have multiple languages like C, C++, C Sharp, Python, Ruby. But why use Java? Why you choose Java as a career? So the thing is that cross platform, run on Windows, Mac, Linux. Okay, uh, via JVM we can use JVM, Java Virtual Machine. In last slide we already discussed about the JVM, but in the upcoming session we discuss in the detail. We have to discuss about the Java, what is JVM. Okay, the next is popular and in demand, used by millions of developer and companies globally. Java is used by millions of developer and companies. Easy to learn. Easy to learn. Simple syntax, especially for those with the experience in C and C++. Which is, uh, if we talk about the comparison with the Python and Java, Python is much easier to learn, but Java is for the beginner it's good. As a beginner, you can start with the Java. Okay, but as compared with the C Sharp, C, C++, then Java is much easier. The next point is, which is most important pointer, Java is open source and free, available under GNU. Okay, and general public license, which is already GPL. Okay, next one, secure and robust, offer language like automatic memory management and exception handling, high performance. Java in just in time. I was already told you, in the next upcoming tutorial we will discuss about the JVM and JIT, which is more important concept for the interview perspective. Most of the time interview asks, what do you mean by JVM and JIT? JIT means just in time, compiler boost performance. Okay, in detail, we can discuss in the upcoming topic. Okay, the next means strong community support. Java has very large community support. Okay, extensive documentation and open source library. Object oriented, promote code reusability, modularity, and maintainability. Reusability, modularity, and maintainability. Similar to C and C sharp, makes it easier for developer to transition between languages. So guys, these are the benefit to use Java. Okay, I hope you get knowledge about the basic knowledge about the Java, why we use Java, why what is Java, and where we use Java. In upcoming tutorial, we also discuss about the history of the Java. Also, what are the basic concept of the Java. Also, comparison with the different languages like Python, C sharp, Ruby. With the different languages, we can also discuss about the comparison, why Java is, why we choose Java in the detail. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel to get more amazing stuff about SDET role interview question. Bye, have a nice day.